Don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on the parts and tools I use in today's project. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do the headlight bulbs in this Kia Sorento 2011. And today, I've been given some Oxito LED headlights. So we're going to check those out, and that's what I'm going to be installing. And later on today, when it gets dark, I'll show you before and after what these LED headlights look like compared to the stock lights. I'll put one in each or whatever, and then we'll check it out. But right now, we're just going to be seeing how to install your headlight bulbs in this Kia Sorento. Let's check it out. Alright, so here we are. First thing we're going to do is come on over here, and this is our high beam, this is our low beam. So for the high beam, I believe it's the H1. We're going to go ahead and take this piece off right here, and then we're going to pull this piece off. And then that's your connector. Then we're gonna squeeze and push to the side, and then that is how you remove that one right there. And now you can see it's got like a straight edge and then round. And then with your new one going back in, you're gonna stick it back in here, put it in the same place, and you're also gonna super want to make sure you don't touch the bulb, because the oils on your hands can make the new one pop. So if you see right there, it's like the little hooks. Come on, camera, focus. Focus, camera. I'm trying to show you these hooks. There we go. Alright, so you can see that little bar grabs onto these little hooks, and then that makes sure your bulb is in there good. And then just snap it back in there, and that's good. And then we're going to come over to our low beam, and this is where we're going to be putting in that LED. It just pops off. And focus. And then this one, we're going to twist. And this one I had a problem with before with the connector. I don't know if that's a common problem on this car, but I had to replace the connector because this connector melted, and I put the new one in. But we're going to twist like so. Then we're going to pull it out. Then again, if you're reusing the bulb, you want to be really careful. But we're going to pull this thing forward, and then with my other hand, see if I can do it one-handed. There we go. We're going to remove the bulb like that.
So guys, this is what the new LED bulb looks like. And then it's got the connector at the end. That's the connector that was attached to the old bulb. That's what you would hook that into. So you just take this one, put it in, and then twist to the right. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, just like you did the old bulb. And that's what the connector looks like when you connect the LED bulb to the connector. And then you just tuck that back in there, and then you put that little cap back on it, on top of it. Now the other side might look more difficult because we got the battery right here and everything, but just this cap, turn it to the lefty loosey, and then that comes off, and there's your bulb, and you just repeat the same steps as you did on the other side. Thanks guys, have a great day.